Hey, all you beautiful guys and gals, how are you guys doing? I am so glad you're joining me today. If you are new, I am Deborah, the ordinary gal. Nice to see you guys. I hope you guys are doing very, very well in these uncertain times, weird, uncertain times. I hope everybody is doing very, very well. So let's get into what you were here for. Hopefully you can have a little bit of an escapism for the next 10 minutes. So if you guys are into beauty driven content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is completely free, I promise. And go ahead and like this video, and that would really, really help me out. Okay, guys, we have our lip monthly. This is the first time that I'm getting this subscription particularly. I am also waiting for quite a few more subscriptions. And I did go ahead and get a 3-month subscription. I'll give you guys all the info right here. It's just a website. I think you can like Google it, or I'll have it down below. And it's just Lip Monthly, and it's a monthly subscription where you get lip products. I think I did see it like on Instagram or something like that. I'm not 100% sure exactly where I saw it, and I completely even forgot that I ordered it. So until they sent me a tracking number, I remembered, like, oh yeah, I ordered this 3-month subscription here for lips. If you guys don't know, I am completely obsessed with lip glosses. Lipsticks, lip gloss, not lipsticks, but lip balms, stains, lip glosses, just like anything. Just, I want to try it. I love it. And yeah, so I thought this would be perfect, and I'm going to try it for 3 months. This is what it looks like. Okay, so sorry about that little interruption, and I have those probably 20 times I make a 10-minute video, so. So this is what it looks like when you first get it, which is like crazy, I think, to me. Like this, I don't know, it's just a cardboard. I forget how much this deal was for a 3-month subscription. I'm guessing it was pretty inexpensive, and like I said, I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can check it out. So the packaging is a little bit weird. I guess we're just a little bit used to, you know, like nicer packaging, I guess. I don't know. Okay, there's nothing else in there. We'll put that aside. Looks like it comes with this card right here, and it says, welcome to Lip Monthly. So really cute, and it doesn't have this bag right here, as you can see. Like, I'm going to pull out a pouch. So it's given me this pouch instead of the bag, which is totally fine. I don't know what I'm going to use this pouch for. I'll probably maybe save them for Christmas or something, since that's coming up soon. I guess I can save them for Christmas. So let us go ahead and take a first sneak peek. And I'm not going to look in the bag. I'm just going to pull out whatever I touch here. So the first thing we have is this guy right here. It looks like it says Portland Bee Balm, supporting urban bees and their keepers. Ingredients: Pacific New Beeswax, organic cold press extra virgin coconut oil, organic California extra virgin olive oil, Oregon peppermint essential oil. Okay, it's a simple, honest, natural, handmade with love in Southeast Portland by Brad and Anika. That is so cool. And it is Portland Bee Balm. So any of the items that are in this bag, I'll make sure to put them down below so you guys can go check them out and support. This is obviously like a smaller brand. It is handmade by those two people, as you read. And so it has like this little band around it, as you can see right here. It looks like a little band, maybe a piece of tape. And the packaging on it, you can tell, is like a thin, paper thin piece of wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, so I just twisted it. And this one is called specifically Oregon Mint. That is what it looks like, just like a regular balm. Ooh, it smells really, really good. This is perfect for like winter time coming up, fall and winter vibes this gives me. It smells so good. It smells like mint. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lips. It's just a balm. Got a little something, something. Ooh, it's very, very, it smells really, really good. It doesn't taste like anything at all. It is a bit refreshing on the lips. and it's kind of thick, like kind of like a little bit waxy. Maybe as that warms up, it gets a little bit like into the lips, I guess. But it's a little bit thick and waxy. I'll try it out. I love having like just these kind of balms just laying everywhere, like in my car, in my purse, in my travel bag, wherever. So definitely keep that around. Not mad at it, it's just like, it's really thick. Okay, the next thing I have here is, I guess this is just called Estate. So that is what it looks like. It looks like a beautiful bronzy shimmer lip gloss, and it is quite large. This is definitely a full size, so is the last thing. I think they're all supposed to be full size now that I'm remembering. So let's go ahead and check out what this looks like. It feels very, very dry right on the hand. It kind of feels almost like an eyeshadow would feel, like a liquid eyeshadow. So that's interesting. Ooh, I don't like the smell. It has like a motor oil kind of smell. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't like the smell at all. It smells really gross. This would be a really, really nice lip topper, depending on how it dries down. I can see this going on as like a little highlight, you know, glossy highlight moment there. It feels really, really nice. It feels super thin. That's not something that I kind of want to try on right now though, because it doesn't smell very good, I must say. Like, so sorry, but it doesn't smell good. Let me know if you guys get this, that it has like that weird smell. Go ahead and smell it for me and let me know down below. The next lippy that we get is from Appeal, and it is a liquid lipstick. It says Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is a gorgeous color also. I think this is so pretty, and I really, really don't want to open it though. And I will definitely put a picture and how much, like if I can find these specific items like this, I will definitely put a picture of how much the full price is, and then we'll calculate how much this bag is worth at the end and how much I paid for it, of course, to see like if it's worth it. I mean, hello, like I'm sure I didn't pay more than $20 for it because I'm just that cheap bitch. I have one more thing left. So it's by another Estate item. That's kind of weird. I wish that we would have gotten different things. I think that would have been so cool. This is really, really pretty though. It has like a purpley pearlescent look, if you can see it in there. Like it has a purpley look to it. So this is really pretty. Aesthetically, it's really, really cute. So I'll try this one on. It's not wrapped up or anything like that, and neither was the first one. So they're not wrapped or closed or anything. So of course you can tell when it's open by this right there. Ooh, it sounds like it's gonna be really, really thick. It doesn't say if it says lip icing. My bad. I was gonna say it doesn't say what it is, but it does. It says it's lip icing. I mean, take that for what you will. It's, I guess, like a lip balm, or a lip gloss, I'm guessing, like a topper. And this is in the color Extra. It feels really, really, really creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and dunk it back in and get some more on the wand. Ooh, this one smells a lot better. It doesn't smell like cake or icing or anything, but it has a very, very good familiar smell to it that smells really good. Like fruity. That one's really, really pretty. I like it. I don't think you can see like the shimmer on it or anything. Yeah, I can't see the shimmer on it or anything. But this one is probably my favorite. I do really, really like this color, but I have so many of these colors open right now that I just didn't want to open up another one. So please forgive me for that. But it looks like it is empty. So these are the 4 lipsticks that we got in this month's. I think they're really, really cute. I think they would suit a lot of people. I mean, who doesn't need lip balm? So I love the colors. They're really nice. And I mean, we're in September. I guess not technically fall yet until like the I think it starts on the 21st or 22nd. But yeah, I thought this was a really, really good bag. Like I'm pretty pleased by it. So it says Lip Monthly. So this is it, your first month with Lip Monthly. You're probably super excited to receive your first bag. We are just super excited for you too. We packed this small little bag full of 5 of our It says that they packed it with 5 of our favorite items that we've included over the last few months. We want to show you what we're all about. The fact that you can get all of this for $12.95. So I think I paid like $11.95, something like that. It wasn't too expensive because I bought a 3-month subscription. So the longer months you buy, the more money you get off. So that is an amazing deal, actually. Wow. And it says, with free shipping, is hopefully enough to convince you to stay on board for a while. To be honest, it only makes sense to subscribe given how much you get, because you totally should. Just one thing, make sure to share Lip Monthly with your friends. Refer just one friend and you get your next month free. That is a really good program. So it's at Lip Monthly, hashtag Lip Monthly. It says share that shit. Did you know that you can refer a friend to get a totally free bag? So it looks like these are just even some of the products that you get in some of the bags, but they did not give me 5. Still an amazing deal for what I paid. Free shipping, like 2 really big thumbs up. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys on my next unboxing, haul, subscription, whatever is coming next. I'll be sure to tape it. How old am I? I'm pretty old. I just said tape. Wow. I'll be sure to film it for you guys. Is that better? I feel like that's even older, like older style. So I'll be sure to let you guys know and post it so you guys can check it out. Make sure you hit the bell so you are notified when I do finally upload. And I hope you guys keep having a beautiful, wonderful day. I will see you guys later. Bye.